My golden rules really focus on setting the dog up to be a very well-behaved dog. I always aim for like well-behaved before well-trained, meaning who cares if you have a dog that like shakes, rolls over, does every trick in the book. If you can't get your dog to listen to you, you know, when you're out places, that's pulling on you, you know, just kind of adds more stress. What I always aim to do is like get your dog to listen to you the first time, every single time. What I always say is that if you were to teach your dog one thing, it should be focus. If you always have your dog's focus, you can get your dog to do anything and you can prevent your dog from doing anything.
Right.
And that's something that I see is just so lacking. You know, focus is basically what I do for my service dog training. You know, if you see a service dog, all they're doing is focusing up on their handler.
Right.
And if we work on that focus piece, obviously it doesn't have to be as strict, you know. With every dog, it just goes so far. So that's really what I aim to do, and just break the stubbornness.